Does the Lasso tool work? Yes, in my experience, and most art apps have this tool. Here are 3 things that work for me using the Lasso tool. Sketching the rough poses is faster. You can adjust how everything looks right away, both the poses and the background, as you can see it as a whole. Plotting and drawing the line art is easier. After that, everything just follows smoothly. Question is, would you allow the Lasso tool to work for you? If yes, how would you make it work? If no, what other art processes work for you?